have you got in your hand? Show me.
Garden bird watch.
Okay, and what have you got to do?
Find the birds.
In the garden. So what are the names of the birds on the
I
wild
don't
watch?
know. I know the instructions. That one's a house sparrow.
Well done.
Polecat. Wait, wood dover.
Wood pigeon. Collared dove. Chaffinch.
Robin. What is that one?
Blue starling, that one.
And what's that one?
Is it a magpie? Let me have a look. Let's have a look, Blackbird. A wood pigeon. So out of all of the pictures that you've just looked at, which ones do you think we're likely to see in the garden?
Blackbird.
You think we'll see some blackbirds? Yeah. What else? What else do we usually get in the garden?
Magpie.
Magpies. Do we get anything else in the garden usually? We do get magpies in the garden, don't we? We get a lot of
And
magpies.
we get robins.
And we get robins in the garden, exactly.
Yeah.
So
let's
we have got the rest of today and tomorrow to fill in the paperwork and send it back to who we've got to send it back to. What does that say there at the top of the piece of paper? What's this? RSPB. And do you know what RSPB stands for?
Yeah, what?
It stands for, I should know this. And I always forget.
What's that? And what's that, Mum? And what's that?
I think it's the Royal Species Protection for Birds within the UK. And that is called an avocet, is the one that they use as their bird on their logo.
You had pants.